Hello friends. In this video today we are going to look at how to make use of the charts that have been published in our Telegram channel and how to take a trade in gold based on the AIG3 indicator that we have been populating on a daily basis 4 to 5 times a day. So let us go and try to find out how to do that. Even before getting into it. The chart that we are speaking about is the charts that have been published in the Telegram channel that we have been populating. So you can see 4 to 5 charts every day, and based on this, we have been taking a trade. So let us try to understand how to make use of these particular charts so that you can trade better. Okay. So let me pull out the charts. So this is the chart that you have been watching out for. And if in this particular thing, you will have to make a note first thing that these are not normal candles. Firstly, these are the Heikin candles. So these are modified candles. And based on the modified candles of HA, we are trying to take a trade. Okay. So the important thing that we need to understand here is like you will be getting the buy as well as the sell signals, which will be highlighted in this particular in this fashion. So you need not get confused. So whenever we are getting a sell or a buy triggered, it will be marked in this particular symbol. So this is like this is a buy and this is a sell. So whenever we are getting such a particular trade, you need to understand that along with this particular trade of buy, whichever the price be at this particular point on the current market price, say this is at 2802. The first thing to be watched out for is the stop loss, which will be highlighted in the black line. So this you can see in this price column that will be highlighted. The latest stop loss will always be highlighted in this particular price section. So the first thing to be noted here is the buy or the sell. So currently, if we were to look at it, currently the market is in a buy. Okay, that is the first thing to be watched out for. Second thing is the current stop loss that we are watching out for. So this is the current stop loss for this particular buy trade. And secondly, you need to understand whether the market is trending or not trending. So in case if the market is trending, you can clearly see that with each passing candle, the stop loss line gets modified towards the upper side. So whenever the market stops trending, the black line or the stop loss line starts moving sideways. So it is a clear indication that the market is taking a pause and it is not trending on the upside. So whenever it is trending, as long as it is trending, it is safe to take a trade on the positional front. So whenever we are getting something like this, say you can see this particular stop loss line clearly moving sideways. Even though the buy has been triggered, the market has been moving sideways, and that is the reason as to why the stop loss getting modified on the sideways. So these are the trades wherein you can get in and out of this particular trades rather than taking a positional trade. You need to get a buy entry here somewhere close to this particular stop loss line and take an exit at a $10 to $12. Don't keep the position quite long. It is best to take a buy since the trend is buy. It is better to take a buy call as well as exit in $10 $12. Don't hold for more than 1 to 2 candles. By the way, this chart is being populated on 4-hour basis. So whenever we are getting an entry close to this black line, you make a buy and make an exit at a $10 to $12 when the stop loss line is moving sideways. If the stop loss line is perfectly moving upwards, or if it is moving perfectly on the downside, something like this, say, see here, see this ladder in this particular case. Whenever the market is moving clearly on the downside, the stop loss gets revised with each passing candle. So it makes a very clear, distinctive manner. So in this case, it is clearly moving upside. With each passing candle, the stop loss get modified on the upper side. So these are the trades wherein these are the trends wherein you keep the positional trades on. Okay, this is the best place wherein you can make the maximum money wherein you are holding on to a particular position and trying to drive for $50, $100. Sometimes we have seen even $200 in a single stretch. So these are the trades wherein you keep the positional trades. But whenever the market moves sideways, the stop loss gets moved sideways, like the line gets moved towards the sideways. These are the places wherein you need to get in and out according to the latest trend. Okay, it is not worth to hold a positional trade in this kind of fashion where the market is moving sideways. So this is a clear identification. I hope you can get an understanding right now based on these particular charts that we are populating in our Telegram channel. And you can also buy this particular indicator from our team. And in case if you want to do it in a different time scale, like say 2 hour chart or 1 hour chart, or say higher time frame like daily time frame or 8 hour time frame, you can get the indicator. You can purchase this particular indicator and take a trade on your timeline that you wish to take a trade on. Right now in this channel, we are going to focus only on the 4 hour candles. And first thing, as I'll repeat, first thing to identify the latest trend of this particular market, which will be the um, green arrow or the red arrow. The latest in this particular chart is the green arrow. So it is a buy on dips. Secondly, whether it is trending or not. In this case, it is trending. In this particular latest thing, it is moving sideways. So it is risky to take a buy, but we need to take a trade on the buy side only with get in and get out of this particular market. Don't have a positional trade in this particular fashion. So this is how you make a utilization of this particular chart that we are populating in our Telegram channel. Thank you for staying connected, and we'll try to give the commentary so that it will be much easier in case if we find something lucrative in the market. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for staying connected in the Telegram channel. Please do share it with your friends so that it will be useful for them too. Thank you so much.